The 10 Best Electric Kettles. Faster than a microwave and safer than a stovetop. An electric kettle is a handy convenience for tea drinkers and cooks alike. In addition to making hot drinks of all kinds, they can be used as a quick alternative for instant oatmeal or simply bringing a pot to boil for other cooking as well. Thanks to their powerful heating elements, they'll get you hot water in a flash. The list starts from Tefal Balanced Living. The compact Tefal Balanced Living, around $29, is ideal for smaller homes or your office for personal use. If you need to transport it from room to room, the lid locks for safety and the base automatically turns off when the kettle is lifted. Interior is plastic, matte black finish, but scale filter doesn't last long. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Ninth one is OXO Brew Clarity. The OXO Brew Clarity APPX, $80, is constructed with durable borosilicate glass, allowing you to keep track of the water level and watch it boil if you like. There are also helpful measurement markings etched into the glass in ounces as well as milliliters. Base is insulated to stay cool. Built-in stainless steel filter, but difficult to get all the water out. You shouldn't miss this product's review. Bona Vita Digital. With its elegant gooseneck, the Bona Vita Digital, around $51, provides a nice, controlled stream for applications where precision is key, like making pour-over coffee. The LCD screen allows you to make temperature adjustments in 1-degree increments. Accurate within 2 degrees. Maintains temperature for 1 hour. But no beep when water is ready. Well, here is the 7th one. Hamilton Beach 1.7 liter. The Hamilton Beach 1.7 liter, about $25. Sports an attractive, polished red finish that you'll want to leave out on the counter. For safety, the lid stays firmly closed unless you push the top button, and the drip-free pouring spout keeps boiling water contained. Concealed heating element. 2 water level windows, but power cord is frustratingly short. You should look into this product, it was surely well marketed. Secura Original. The durable Secura Original, around $32, boasts a stainless steel interior all the way to the rim of the spout so your water never touches plastic. Its double-walled construction helps to retain heat, while still remaining cool on the outside. Large opening for easy filling. Available in multiple colors, but boils more slowly than others. Now we will show you the 5th product in the list, Kasori Gooseneck. The Kasori Gooseneck APPX, $69, makes precision heating simple with 5 presets to supply the perfect temperature for whatever you are making. The narrow, curved spout provides optimal flow for manual brewing, and the counterbalanced handle encourages a steady, slow pour. Beep notification is optional, keeps water hot for an hour, but lid tends to rattle when boiling. Customers are keying in according to them. One should buy this one. Bella Blue Aztec. The ceramic Bella Blue Aztec, around $39, is pretty enough to bring to the table for serving, and is available in other prints to match your kitchen decor. It lends an old-fashioned style to your kitchen, with the modern convenience of a 1200-watt heating element in its base. Comes in 4 sizes. Automatically shuts off when empty, but quite heavy for one-handed pouring. If you want cost-efficient, this new one is for you. Zojirushi Micom. While it's not shaped like a kettle, the Zojirushi Micom, about $135, is a superior solution for high-quantity needs. With a one-touch dispenser and an impressive 4-liter capacity, this model offers a built-in timer and a dechlorination mode for tap water. Removable magnetic power cord, clear water level gauge, but locks automatically to prevent burns. According to reviews, the second best product is KitchenAid Artisan. The KitchenAid Artisan, around $72, may be difficult to distinguish from old stovetop models. With its rounded shape and smooth aluminum handle, This nostalgic choice comes in a variety of vibrant colors or a sleek, brushed stainless steel finish, removable limescale filter, water measurement markings inside, but discreet on-off switch on back. Now here is our best of best the King product. Cuisinart Perfect Temp. The simple, intuitive Cuisinart Perfect Temp, APPX, $71, is a great choice for speed and accuracy. This model features 6 pre-programmed modes with the ideal temperature displayed for different kinds of drinks, including black or green tea and French press, drip-free pouring, push-button lid release, but 30-minute keep warm function.